Hey, what's up for VeChain holder? So today video is going to be very special for VeChain holder because the VeChain result as a positive from previous 24-hour. But I can't believe it. How is it possible to VeChain fails down like a rocket? You can see here this time they very badly fails down. You can see here in the last, especially in the last 24-hour. And after that, my friend, you can see here they take a short jump, but definitely, my friend, this is very short jump, and they cannot cross the resistance line. So they are in the fail. As you can see here, if they cannot cross the resistance line, they are in the fails, my friend. This time you can see here the red candle is gone very high, my friend, and the green candle is gone very fails down. So therefore, definitely at this time they gone up the candle as in red, but I think after that they also fails down more. So let's see, my friend, the reason I explained already in this video, my friend, to do why they fails down and what's the current situation, what we do in this current situation, everything explained in this video with detail. But please, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, click out the red button, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon. Thank you so much, my brother. Okay, come to the point. VeChain in the last 24 hours change occur as in positive. So congratulations everyone. 15% they gone up. So I think, and if they are going up in the last 24 hours, exactly, my friend, they are very fastest coin, and they cannot fail down in upcoming days, because in the start of month every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down, my friend, and change occurs in completely negative. Because the reason is that, my friend, this is the at the end of month every holder starting selling. So in the April last day, my friend, people starting selling, and definitely if people starting selling, then the crypto coin price is going fail very fastly fails down, my friend. So this time you can see here VeChain cannot fails down. I think this time you can see here VeChain holder cannot sell it. Definitely if people cannot sell it, then they go off like a rocket. So therefore, my friend, the market cap you can see here also is a positive 4.84%, they go up. So I think this is very good jump. Okay, if we check out full diluted market cap is 4.84% also gone up. Volume is 2.56% gone up, and let's check out the volume market cap is 0.1381. So this is absolutely gone up. So circulating supply you can see here 64 billion, my friend, and I hope 74% they gone up. So I think this is also gonna good, my friend. So max supply you can see here, and total supply you can see here 86 billion and 86 billion both are same, my friend. So let's check out come down scroll down in the live chart, my friends, to what's going on in the live chart. You can see here this time, my friend, after that I already tell you, my friends, today fails down more. So definitely they fails down. But after this fails, remember, my friends, you don't sell it. This does not mean to if they fails down for a short time, then you starting selling. Exactly, my friends, they fails down in the same time. But after this fails, they take a long jump, my friend. They take a long jump. You can see here. First of all, I want to show you the live proof. You can see here. Okay, come to the point. Okay, come down. You can see here this time, my friend, this time. Okay, come down. You can see here, yes, exactly, this process is going to be right. You can see here after this very high jump, my friends, they fails down like this point, and after this fails they also take a jump. You can see here after this jump they also fails down again, and after this fails they again jump. So my friend, this is circulation. You can see here this is circulation. After this fails they also take down. You can see here if the chart is going like that, then exactly they fails down and the price is decreasing now. But the first week, my friend, all cryptocurrencies is going very badly falls down. But I hope in the second week of this month they're moving off like a rocket. They unbelievable result give us. So let's see, my friends, to in upcoming days what's going on. But definitely, my friends, this time you can see here they very badly fails down. So please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I definitely this time you can see here they very badly fails down. But I hope in upcoming days they're moving off like a rocket. So wait for a good time. Please wait for a good time. The good time is coming soon. I hope good time is coming soon. Kindly hold it and wait for a good time. Thank you so much, VeChain holder. Please like this video. If you need this more informative video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much again, VeChain holder. Please hold it, don't sell it, hold it for a long time. I have no plan to sell it before 2021. So you also 2022, sorry, 2022. So sorry, friend, please you also hold it for a long time. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.